This business made me over 300k last year as a beginner, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do that as well. This is one of the business I mentioned in my last video, and few of you actually showed interest. And let me know in the comment section you are going to be trying it out. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about what the business is all about. You're going to become a education consultant. I know you might be wondering that I don't even know anything about education that much. If you're a student, you're a good fit. If you're a graduate, you're a good fit. Talking about secondary school, I'm talking about higher institution. So you're going to be working with Jambites aspirants into your school. I'm going to show you exactly what are the service you're going to be rendering to those aspirants. So calm down and relax. Watch the video to the very end so you not miss the most important part of the video. Let's talk about the things they are going to be needing. First, you're going to be needing your Facebook and WhatsApp. You're going to be needing a data subscription as well. So that is the three things you're going to be needing to perform this task. And also a little knowledge about your school. Did you so let's get started. First and foremost, you need your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, go and download it. You're going to be creating a group on this Facebook account, and then you name it the name of school you want aspirants for. It could be Foye Ekiti, it could be University of Abuja, University of Port or your in Learning, and so on and so forth like that. You're going to name it 2025 to slash 2026 aspirants, as you can see this one on the screen. And what you're going to be doing is just, it's not much. You're going to be passing information to them. Did you get like that? And you're also going to drive them to your WhatsApp group from Facebook group. But because Facebook is the first group they will always wanted to join first so that they will get information. So from there they're going to join your WhatsApp group. Did you get like that? So from you're just going to be posting, pasting passing information like jam information before your school screening starts to team is started. I don't know if you're getting that. Please let me know in the comment section if you're getting it. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will answer to everything. So let me show you how you can create that Facebook group on your Facebook account. So you're going to go to your Facebook homepage, click on the profile down, the picture down, and then you're going to see this. Click on group. You can see the plus sign at the top. Then you click on create, and that is how you create your Facebook group. Also remember to set it as public, okay? You can't put this in private. So let me show you how you can actually moderate your and organize your group, because there are a lot of people out there that are just going to be sending any sort of things, all kind of things to your group. So let me show you. As you can see right there, you can see the potential spam messages in that group. I had to block it, but I don't want unnecessary information in that group. So you have to be decline it. It's going to like that moderator is going to give you the right to approve whatever it is anyone wants to upload on your group. So you have the right to set it anyhow you want it. You can ban member, you can suspend member, you can block member, you can remove any comments, any link. So anything that has to do with your own service, you block this app. I don't waste time on that. Anyways, let me show you exactly how you can do it. Go to manage group. In the group settings, you're going to see admin assist. So you click on admin assist, then you're going to see all these wonderful things this admin assist can actually do for you. So you can see there you can actually edit posts, publish a welcome post when you have 25 new members. So you can do that as well. So that's how I set mine. You can also decline if so and so. So that's how you're going to customize it and just go through it and fit in the way you want it to be. Okay. All right, let's move to the next stage. The second app you're going to be needing is your WhatsApp. It could be WhatsApp message, it could be WhatsApp personal, but I prefer WhatsApp message because of the welcoming message tools that is on business WhatsApp. So whenever a new aspirant message you, they are going to just see the service you render as a welcome message. Did you guess like that? So now you are going to name the group, your WhatsApp group, the same name you name your Facebook group. After you're done with that, make sure you're giving them like you're just following them all by dropping like oh, good morning to you all. New member join, welcome to the group. You repost your link so that they can also help you to repost it. Did you get like that? And then the same information you're passing on your Facebook group, make sure you're passing it on your WhatsApp group as well. You don't actually need much data to do this, but you just have to be consistent in and like with them. Even if it's just once in a day you say the message in this group, it's enough, okay? And also feel free to like to bond with those aspirants so they can trust you whenever they want to perform. They want you to render any service, any kind of service to them. So they want someone that they already trust, that they can actually send their details to. I don't know if you get that. If it is you, just put yourself in their own shoe. Did you get? So you have to be like open the group for more communication between you two. When some maybe like you can just put a smile emoji in something that you put there, just kind of cruise and stuff like that. You get what I mean now? So that's it. I can also check some other WhatsApp group, can jump to some other WhatsApp group as well. And for you to get information as well. It's not necessarily that it's all about jump. It's also your school information, maybe the accredited some uni courses and stuff like that. Cut of mark, that's what you need to be doing. That is why they joined your group. That is what they need your help with. All right, so let's talk about the service you're going to be rendering as an educational consultant. As you can see on the screen, these are the following service I render last year. So I'm going to show you the group. I'll put it on the screen too. So these are this what's it called, the service I rendered last year. You might be wondering that how did I do all of this? For the uploading of all level results, you need to get someone at this accredited CBT center. So you work in that together with the person. And for job original result, it's something you can actually do with just your smartphone. And if you have any question, maybe you don't know how to convert those things into PDF. So because you'll be sending it in form of PDF to them, let me know in the comment section. I will always come through and make a tutorial on that. Just any question at all, drop it in the comment section. I'm there. Okay? Alright guys, let me know if you are going to be trying it out. And let me know if yes or no. If you like the idea, let me know in the comment section as well. Drop an emoji at least. Bye. See you in the next video.